Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at TTCF, Tattooed Chef. Really good vegan plant-based bowls. Quite good. If you can find them in short supply. So looks like we're in about a $20 range here. It could go down as low as 16. It bounces off. And I really like the stock, and I think this could be going up to, this should be a $25 stock right now. I don't understand what's going on. But we're going to sell this option here, October 8th. And we're going to sell a cash covered put. We're going to get a little greedy on it. We're only going to do one. So I'm going to build this position over time. All right, we finally got a fill. Filled it, 105. Okay. All right, here's the position I have in Tattooed Chef. I have 401 shares that I bought, or they got put the shares. So the cost basis is lower than what it is. But I also have a 19.5 put on October 8th and a $20 put October 1st, which I might have to roll. That's next week. So, cost basis is about, I think, it says $21.92, but I sold options for like $1.50 or so. Go back and check my videos. Be sure you subscribe. See all my trade updates and what I'm doing here in the stock market. So, very bullish on the stock. I think it's gone to $50 eventually. It could take a few years to get there. But it's very undervalued, has huge growth. Last quarter, they grew 62% year over year, so that's pretty awesome. All right, guys. That's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.